Your Genesis features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, enabling you to be connected no matter your choice in smartphones. Setting up your smartphone with your Genesis is easy. First, ensure that you have the Android Auto app downloaded and installed on your Android Auto device. If you have an Apple device, you're already set. Next, make sure that your Genesis is ready to connect. Select Setup. Then, Device Connection. Then select either Enable Android Auto or Enable Apple CarPlay. Next, plug your device into the USB data port on your vehicle. This is usually the USB port closest to the center console. Check your owner's manual to confirm which port is your USB data port. Be sure to use your original equipment cable from your phone manufacturer. If the device is locked, you may be asked to unlock it and consent to use of the feature. You're now connected. You can use all of the features of the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay system on your touchscreen. One more feature that's useful is the voice recognition or VR button on your steering wheel. This can be used to access either Siri or Google Assistant on your connected smartphone. A short press of the VR button will access your vehicle's onboard voice recognition system. A long press will access Siri or Google Assistant.
What's the weather in New York City?
For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.